Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Rogue. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, rear spoiler, roof rails, front spoiler, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, remote engine start, ambient lighting, braking assist. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, rear view camera, backup camera, audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio internet radio, iHeartRadio, premium sound system, turn-by-turn navigation, satellite communications.